Okay. Okay, so yeah. Can I take a look at the answer first? Let me write the answer on the board. Okay, your mark, okay? Mark. Guys, marking, you're marking. I got a question more. Okay, this is 3A, 3B. Y equals to. This is the tangent. This is the normal. Okay. Shh. Under there. Question 5. Y 49x over 7. Question 5. Question 6. P, the coordinate is 3 minus 12. Y equals to minus x minus 9. Question 7. Question 7. 3, 38. 3, 41. Question 8. Question 8. A equals to 3 over 10. B equals to 3 over 20. Part 2. Y equals to. Question 11. E, 0 minus 9. Part 2. Y equals to negative 1 x minus 9. Part 3. Q is 1 and 2 over 3. Negative 6 and 7 over 9. 6 and 7. Okay. Negative 1 over 6. 29 over 0 for 48. 93.6. 7. Okay. And topic 2 practice set. Topic 2 practice set. It's right over here. I will try to set one something very well. Oh, wait. I go next. This is a point to do more. Okay, so in case you want to see the answer is over here. Okay. Can yeah. Question 3 is okay? All good? Emily good? But do all. Okay. Anyone never do practice set? Please have integrity, turn outside the class. Yeah. Okay. 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 E1 dx should be minus. You got 3. Check. Right. Usually the way I check the output. Stop touching your nipples. Okay. Yeah. Is it okay? Not okay. Not okay. Question 5 and 6. I need me to go through 5, 6, 5. No need, no need. Come in. Just hi. Emily, any question that you got wrong, just ask. Okay? Just ask. Even if it's one person, I will go through. Go for this positive means question 5, you got both positive. Okay, so I check, yeah. It's alamak. Is your question 5, is this your dy dx? Okay. Is this your x value? Negative 1/3. Is this your dy dx? 9/4. Did you flip to negative 4/9? Okay. So checking by milestones. This is also how you can check. You know the key major steps. Okay, Dora, is it okay? Krishan, okay. Okay. Alex, okay. Sing, you okay? See, you got do? Got do. Manage to do successful all? Okay. The proper fraction is okay. Yeah. Okay, question 6, is it okay? 7. 6 are okay, guys, confirm. 6 are okay, 6. No, don't take photo of the solution. Do by yourself. Take. No, later you will copy. It's blocking, okay. Question 6. You. Done, question 6, okay? Confirm? Okay. Question 5. Only if you have attempted more than half, then I let you take photo. Oh. Generally, it's an okay practice. Okay. Okay. Alex, okay? I go down. Question 7. Okay, so question 7, let me go through. Okay. Okay, the idea is that first, right? What's this question? The dy dx can form an equation when they do that parallel, right? It's trying to tell you that the tangent can have the same gradient. Okay, so gradient comes from where? Dy dx. So I just get a work. You get both 3 and 3. Oh, then you sub into, because your y is okay. Can so okay. Anyone else? Question 7.
all can do.
But I got the Y value right, like the X value.
You got a Y value, correct?
Oh, it's
Very good. So you are reflecting. All you notice are the you can correct yourself. Which one? Here. Okay, do you get 1 and 3? 6.1. 6.1 is it? Okay, 6.1, I asked you, do you get the coordinate of A? One common negative 10. Do you get coordinate of B? Do you get a coordinate of, do you get the gradient of AB? Okay, good. At least you know where went wrong. Okay, good. Hey! 13. Okay. Oi! Very fast. Question 6, you need help. Okay. 6 okay, 7 okay? One more time you stand outside, Shut up. Okay. Question 7 okay? Question 8. You don't know how to do, if I don't mind, just ask me to go through with you. Okay. I'm happy to talk about it. Okay. Which one? Say this 5 times because I ever put on WhatsApp. Oh. Were you listening when I say, Joshua? Were you listening when I say? What's my name? Huh? Question 8. All okay, Question 8. Y equals to 0, all can get. I don't want to just write answer, Eden, I don't want just write answer, I want to see working, Kaden also, I don't want just answer, I want working, Okay, no matter how smart you are. Question 11 and 13. 11 part 2. 11 part 2. Can 11 part 2. Okay, so first, Xinyu part 1 is okay. Part 1 is okay. Part 1 is okay. So you managed to get a coordinate of 0, -9. Now, if you think about it, I want to find the equation of the normal and P. So what do? I find the dy dx. I find my gradient. My gradient at P, First of all, my gradient function is you can see my dy dx. Can I say it's -2x plus 3? Is that okay? I differentiate. Yeah. So what's my dy dx? This will be equals to -2, 0 plus 3, which is 3. Because I start x at 0. I start x at 0. Okay, you see? I start x at 2. See, okay? So then, what's the gradient of the normal? Gradient of normal y minus y1 equals to gradient x minus x1. But remember, for normal, the gradient we flip. Okay? So y minus y1 equals to gradient x minus x plus. Given that they said that the normal to the curve is perpendicular to y minus x equals to 10. Oh! Can we use that to find the gradient of Correct. So I use that to do part 1. I actually use that to do part 1. I didn't use that to do part 2 lah. Yeah, lah. I didn't use that to do part 2. Part 1, so then with that, y is equal to negative 1/3 x minus 9. That is for part. It's okay. But 11 part 1, guys, when you look at this, do you understand what it means? The normal is perpendicular to the line. You understand what it means? Okay, so I look at the line here. This is the same as y, 2y equals to 6x plus 10. This is the same as y equals to 3x plus 5. X plus 5. Okay, y equals to 3x plus 5. So if my normal is perpendicular to this line, what's the gradient of my normal? That means the gradient of my normal should be negative 1/3. So a lot of times you will find that in math question, they make the English very cheap. Okay, difficult to understand. Okay, that's why you have to unpack the question slowly. Okay, so I hope I'm getting your attention for 11 part 2. Is 11 part 3 okay? Anyone not sure? For purposes of recording, I can also go through. So you all can view one more time. So 11 part 3 answer is on the board. Okay, get. Serious, huh? See, we can. 11 part 3, okay. Huh? Were you able to do? Huh? Okay, then what is required? Who else? Has everyone who don't have this answer? Oh, come on. Okay. Guys, take out your practice set. Show me this number. Let me see the place where you got the working. Who don't have? Where is it? Where is it? I say again, 11 part 3. Where is this number? Show me. Show me. What to me? Where is it? What to me? I see where I ask. What? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. If you don't must ask, you keep. Can yeah. When I was in NUS, I was also the last math student in class. Because to be honest, when you go to study math in university, 99% of my cohort, they are all Chinese, they are all from China. The other half of Vietnam. So then my lecturer, my lecturers now, Jeff, you ask stupid now, but you don't ask your stupid forever. You understand or not? See, open your ask. Okay? Yeah. Okay, I'll be honest with you. How do I? Oh. Okay, so find the coordinate of point Q. Find the coordinate of point Q where the tangent is parallel to the normal in part 3. That means, right, I would want the gradient of the tangent to be negative 1/3 as well, because I'm saying parallel. right? We know that the gradient of the normal is negative 1/3. Okay. Then, if I want the tangent to have a gradient of negative 1/3, what can I equate? Can I use a curve? Cannot. Yes, I use dy dx. So what I do is, if there's a negative 1/3 here, and this curve, my dy dx, which is negative 2x plus 3, is equals to negative 1/3. Okay? Can I? Now with that, you solve, you should get x equals to 5/3. After you get the x equals to 5/3, you sub into y, then you get negative 61/9. Are you copying? Copy. Copy. So you got it, huh? Okay, copy. Okay? Can okay. Question 13. Huh? What's wrong? Huh? Okay. Okay, I just check. You managed to find quotients. A, you found. A is negative 1, 6, right? C is 29,0, right? So you see, C is 29,0. One second, I was I'm using the hotspot from my phone. I think the network not stable. Yeah, so you can see if this is 6 unit, because this is 6, this is point, so this is 2 point, this is 2.2, right? This is wait. The shaded part is 2.2. So this part is 2.2. What is this portion? 29, right? It's not really drawn to scale, but it is what it is now. This is 6. Half times base times height. Okay. So with that, you actually don't need Schulich's method. You actually don't need Schulich's method. Oh. So far, okay? Can I? Okay, guys. Okay, so you all must listen. When you know how to do the practice set, does it mean that you will get full marks for exam? Okay, so this is a false sense of security. You understand that? So sometimes you all must know, hey, because I also wonder, hey, how come this student can do all the practice set, everything correct, everything good, everything so neat, practice set, assignment, to the last question, to the last microorganism of the last question, this student will submit everything. How come this student not getting A? So you need to ask yourself this: what is missing from the puzzle? Is it could it be because you are not paying attention? Could it be because there are also a lot of students like that? Unfortunately, especially boys. Okay, student A knows everything, do everything. But after that, come to exam, how come the effort and the result don't seem to match? Okay, it's also because you need to be able to transfer your learning points. You understand? How do you transfer a learning point? If you go to Google, YouTube, there's something called the Feynman method. One way is you teach. That's why when I see you teach other people, I'm okay. When I see you help other people, because when you teach, you need to make sense of what you're saying. That's why when you teach, actually, you get better. That's why I ask you to help your friend. Second is you know what you're doing right. You're able to explain to other people. Clear? That's why I ask you to pay attention so that you know what you're doing right. You get affirmation, it sinks in longer. Clear? Don't do and forget. And then some of you do again the practice set, can I throw away? No lah, throw it for what? You need to keep up. Right or not? Okay, so you need to keep it. You need to keep it. Who was the one? Was it you? No, I remember you were the one. You said, can I throw away my practice set? Then who throw away? Who said that? Was it Zhe? I remember it was a smart kid. I can't remember who. Was it Alex? No. I can't remember. Chishan. Oh, I think so. I think so. We'll see. Okay, so you all must I'm also trying to figure out how to bring you all to the next level. So you all must try to hard work is definitely one. Correct, but remembering why it works is also important. Correct? Maybe you see some people, those NBA basketballers, 5 years they never shoot the ball. After that they shoot, they can still sink the ball in. Why? Because number one, it's a lot of practice. Number two, there's some teaching cues that you will never forget. Number three is muscle memory. So to mathematics to you all is like sports. It must be like muscle memory. Okay? Can Yeah. So don't be complacent. Don't be complacent. Okay. Done. If done already, can submit. Okay, I'll pass to Kyson. Then we go back to the never bring the notes. You never bring. You know the first time already. First time. Yeah. I will go through after I finish. I want to go through just before. Yes. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. So tomorrow assignment is due, okay or not? Or is it too unreasonable? It's okay lah. Unreasonable. Unreasonable. Okay how you okay? How you don't go back so late lah? You go back at 7:30 p.m. Yeah. Okay, question 2.9. Where am I now? Huh? Huh? Why? Why? What thing? Oh, I didn't see that one. Yeah, we are learning how to clean. So, okay, question 2.8. Question 2.8. Okay, where are you all now? Are you all at 2.8 or 2.7? Okay, so some of you are at 2.9. Okay, yes, 2.7C. If you are at 2.7C, okay, so 2.7C, how to go about doing this question is that, okay, for purpose of recording, I'm going to explain. It might be boring, so don't need to listen to me now. Okay, so what I'll do is I will split this and this and this into one fraction. I will split this into one fraction. Why? Because I have the double angle formula imprinted in my head. I know it's 2 tangent A, 1 minus tangent square A. Okay, y'all? So I'm writing it this way. I'm going to write it as tangent square 15 minus 1. 1 minus tangent square 15. Plus 2 tangent 15 degree. 1 minus tangent square 15. Then I realized that, hey, you know, this is like A minus B, B minus A. A minus B is the same as the negative of B minus A. Fair enough. So actually these two will cancel. This will just give me minus 1. Oh, and what's the right hand side? The right hand side is just tangent 30. Because do you see this? If you see this, right, 2 tangent A over 1 minus tangent square A. Do you see? Right? Hello. So then with that, 1 tangent 30, 1 figure come down, 1 over square root. Joshua, would you like to redeem yourself? Can. Okay, no problem. prove that. What question are you at now? What question are you at now? Write down the Pythagorean identity. And write out sine A plus B. Write out cos A plus B. Write out tangent A plus B. Yeah. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No one to help Joshua. Let him enjoy the group set. Okay. Can okay. Two of you still talking. You can watch the video, man. Okay. Hey, I got to learn. Oh, hey, what is it? Oh, this is not Pythagorean. What's this? The sin square, the sin square and cos square. Don't help him. Let him do. You help him, you will learn. This is the fun. Okay, cosine square 232.5. To do this, right, you think about cosine 45 degrees. Okay? Now, because you know that cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1, which means that cos 2a plus 1 is 2 cos square a, which means that cos 2a plus 1 divided by 2. No, this is okay, this is correct. So this is cos square A. Okay. So if you take a look, if this is 22.5, this will be 45 degrees. Make sense? Correct? That is why cosine 45 plus 1 over 2 is cosine square 22.5 degrees. What is cos 45 over 2? Square root 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Okay. Multiply by 2 over 2. This is square root 2 plus 2 over 4. That is the answer. Okay. Okay. That's for question 2.7. 2.7. Topic 3. Which one?
Is it the one where you convert into like 1 minus cosine square?
Yes. So you write okay, okay, so I guess that's about it. I will go to question 2.8. 2.8. Okay. So 2.8b, usually I start from the left-hand side. So if I start from the left-hand side, 1 second, I want to change color. Don't let me read. Okay. Okay. So now, cos 2a, I start from the left-hand side. Cos 2a, 1 second. Okay, cos 2a over cos a plus sine a. Okay, now you see, if I'm starting from the left, and I want to get to a single line, you can see this is a fraction, and this is a single line. What does it mean? It means that there's probably some cancellation that allows me to get one liner. Okay, there's probably some cancellation that allows me to get one liner. Now, if you think about it, okay, so what I'm going to do is the cos 2a is the same as cos square a minus sine square a over cos a plus sine a. Then I think about factorization. This is the same as cos a minus sine a, cos a plus sine a. Okay, that is why you will see that there's cancellation and you get the final outcome, which is the right hand side. That is for part B. Clear so far? Oh, this is
Small square.
okay, can ah? If you all understand, that's good. Don't worry, don't need to tell me how. Yeah. C. Toilet. No. Every time my lesson want to go toilet. Every time. Every time. Okay, go. Okay. 2.8 C. I start from the left hand side as well because I like to start from the more complicated side. It's easier to go from a double angle to single angle. Okay, looking at my endpoint, this is a single angle. So what do I do? And I'm telling you, when there's a A, when there's a 1, right? Usually want to carry on the 1. Usually I want to carry on the 1. No. Yeah. To swap. So I change 1 to 1 minus 2 sine square A. The bottom, I change it to 2 sine A cos A. Okay. You will see that my numerator now gives me 2 sine square A. My denominator is 2 sine A cos A. And ta-ta-ta. You can see, cancel. There you go. Tangent A. It's proving is very beautiful. It's like the poetry. Mathematics is the poetry of logical ideas. Okay. Then I look at D. Okay, I'm just going through this. You don't have to listen to me. Because I want it to be in the recording in case you need to refer. 2.8 D. I start from 2 cosecant 2A because it's easier to strip down a big angle. Can I say this is 2 over sine 2A, which is 2 over 2 sine A cos A. Cancel. 1 over sine A times 1 over cos A, which is cosecant A, secant A. Look at this, so beautiful. Oh, can I? 2.8. Anyone start? Any question? On the left hand side is difficult. Usually when it's a double and a single, I work for the double. Okay, can I? Correct. This one. This formula. Next one. Okay. How about 2.9? 2.9, B. You want to do B? Elephant, is there elephant? Okay, let me address the elephant in the room. Okay, so here, again, I saw X and I start with secant square. Which one should I start first? Remember, it's easier to go from big to small or small to big? Big to small. It's easier for me to strip something down. Okay? Like you want me to break a big piece Lego model? Very easy. But you want me to assemble a Lego model? Takes me days. So what do I do? X, again, as I say, when I see a 1, I will want to absorb away the 1. Okay, so what do? I will choose an identity that allows me to remove the 1. Yes. Okay, 2 cos square x minus 1. Cancel. It just cos. Oh yeah, sorry. I will for the RHS. No, x has the one with the double. Okay, x is double of x over 2. Fair enough. So from there, 2 over 2 cosine square x over 2. Cancel. is 1 over cos square x over 2. It's the same as secant square. Because 1 over cosine is secant square. Okay, so far. So if x and I can still use double angle. Okay, my double angle is different. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes. 2.8 part B, when I look at this again, I see that there's the left hand side. I try to change from the I will start from the left hand side. Okay, I will start from the left hand side because I see that the double angle is on the left hand side. Like I say, it's easier to strip something down than to assemble something else. Okay, for me to break something to pieces very easy. For me to assemble something else. Double angle is big, so I see it as big. Left hand side. Now you will see that, Sean, the left hand side from the left to the right, you will see that there is a this is a one liner, right? It's a one line, but here there are two lines. How do you get from two lines to one line? There must be some cancellation. So this is my thought. Okay, the other cancellation, that means you agree, right? My numerator must also have a cos A plus sin A, right? In order to cancel. Then I'm thinking, how do I get my numerator to have a cos A plus sin A? Very good. Okay, so I change it to cos square A minus sin square. After that, what do I do? Then square, something square minus something square. Familiar, then? Isn't this the same as A minus B? A plus B, which is the same as A square minus B square. And with that, we cancel. Okay? Can proving is an art, it's very fun. You know? And proving is the question that you know if you can prove, you get 5 marks straight away. Okay? So okay, can okay. Are you okay? Put your iPad down. Okay, no, I say facing up. Okay, so now 2.9 is 2.9, okay? 2.9, if you are stuck, for part A, consider changing cos 3A to maybe cos 2A plus A. That might help. Cos 2A plus A. Start with taking cos 2A plus A first. Okay? Okay. Tell you. Come on. Okay, I can see you're trying very hard for 2.9. Wonderful. You can say that it's cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. 无意间can I? Okay. Then, hello. That's okay. Then my turn. This guy is the one very cute last time. I used to teach last time.